I'm Maddie Uzelac, and I am a senior at Cedar Cliff High School, and I am a student support specialist in Washington Heights. There's two students at Cedar Cliff. I'm not going to say their names, but they kind of made an impact on me, and I would really love to help out kids like them. I see myself as a future special education teacher, and I really wanted to get my hands on things and just see how the background is in teachers' worlds and just kind of understand better how I can help more kids. My expectations coming in were to learn about more of the paperwork side of teaching. Ms. Paxton has definitely taught me a lot about that and just how much actually goes into teaching that you don't really see as a student. I come in and I will head down to a 4th grade class, help out. They're usually in math at that time, but I will help them out, especially with the kids that need that little extra help. Then I will head to a 3rd grade class, help them with writing and reading. Then I sit with the 3rd graders at lunch. Then when I come back from lunch, I have a small group of 4th graders and we work on reading skills. Come in every day with a different attitude. I can't think about what happened yesterday.
Hi, I'm Shelby Paxton. I'm a learning support teacher at Washington Heights Elementary School. Greets the students. She goes to our 4th grade classrooms. She checks in on a handful of students, and then she does assist one teacher there. And then she also integrates herself within our 3rd grade population, just working on some of their social and emotional skills. In our ELA group, she does develop some of her own worksheets and things like that that may help some students foster some of their skills. All the students gravitate to her, so when she does come in, you can just even see the kids. Her positive energy, just knowing that I can rely on her. Several times she has said to me, "I've got this," and I know that she does, so I'm really appreciative of that.
My future plans are to attend Millersville University and go for special education, minor in psychology, and then maybe down the road try occupational therapist.